Crime can happen to anyone. People don't want to live in communities if they don't feel safe.
DeKalb County is a very diverse community. We have a population of 780 or so thousand residents. When we talk about previous systems and tools, we were operating in silos almost.
Crime prevention now is deeply rooted in technology. That's when Flock became an obvious choice as a partner.
We are able to gather information in real time, not only from the dispatch,
Be advised of a Flock hit. That vehicle is a gray Toyota Tacoma.
but to the patrol officers,
Be advised that I have visual on that vehicle in reference to the Flock hit.
to the investigators, without having to go to different sources.
It makes it easier. I can actually get a description of the vehicle, the location, and get there instantly.
It makes our job a lot safer because the drones can see what we can't see before we enter that location.
I can't help but think back to earlier this year when we had an officer killed in the line of duty.
A police officer is dead after a suspect opened fire near the CDC headquarters in the Emory University Atlanta campus today.
He was responding to an active shooter, and he did not have the information that he could have had.
I truly believe that if we had this system in place, it may have changed the situation.
That may have saved that officer's life that day.
We are reimagining DeKalb County. We're looking for how best we can serve our citizens.
This is going to have a life-changing effect on DeKalb County and its residents. And at the end of the day, that's why DeKalb County has made the investment in Flock technology, because we simply want to keep you safe.